what I'm gonna do is to download a torrent. Right now I don't have transmission installed, so I am going to get transmission first of all, and I'm going to begin with actually just double checking where or what my shortcut was for that. Yeah, so like that. Macu. So I'm gonna go to Mac update and get transmission. Set up, so it's going to download my stuff into my desired locations, and yeah, so we can begin then. I'm just going to open a new tab and go inside settings, take a look at the default search engine. There's a little description here also of what is to be expected, what you can expect to find here. And this is obviously the one which is in use right now, DuckDuckGo. The default one would be Google. So torrent. So all we have to do is to type the key torrent followed by our search term, and this will make a simultaneous search on DuckDuckGo, Kickass, torrents, and a few others. So, and this doesn't work in all browsers due to some browsers using different versions of WebKit, which handles iframes really poorly. Anyway, Chrome shouldn't be a problem, or Safari. So I'm going to look for site Geist. So what we're looking at now is the torrent search inside Lightning, and if you want to abort the search, or if you're done with the search, you can of course close the tab if you want to, or you can just click on Lightning, the Lightning window which is here. Okay. It's in focus, and if you click on it, obviously it will grow, and then yeah, it's pretty much as if you would have several tabs open in your browser, but instead of tabs, you're having them like frames. Okay. So if you're looking for your torrent you want to download, you just click on them, let them grow, and browse through them and see if you find something you like. And if you don't find what you're looking for, then just either tap on the frame here or outside of it, and it shrinks again. Or if you want to, click one. The one you had open shrinks and this one goes up. Yeah, so you can switch between the frames. If you want to take a look at this one again, or lightning sorts them by cedar by default. So anyway, we're going to get okay, I'm going to take this one. Okay, so I'm just going to click on the magnet. I'm guessing that I hope transmission will yeah. Alright, so there we go. So that's pretty much then how working with torrents is done in Lightning. You can take a look at something which is sort of relevant. I have this thing called the shortcut editor. So I don't think I have any here. Okay, I have the alright. But I'm going to show you an example of how to use this. And if we enter the settings here, launch web interface, transmission is one of those programs that has like a web interface. I believe it's going to be open in Chrome now. Yeah. Okay, all I'm interested in right now is to get the address here. Okay. So transmission address, the one that I copied, and shortcut will be TR. I'm just going to say TR. So we just added the shortcut TR. If we go back to Lightning, so yeah, so you're here already, like in your browser. So you just type TR and then opening transmission, and then you get to the web interface. Yeah, whatever. You're somewhere else. You're out on the. You're doing something. You're looking for blah 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 like that. And fine here. So you find an interesting article about something, whatever, and you need to, for some reason, frequently, or whatever, you frequently go back to this page. So you would just Unless you would like art, perhaps once a day or twice a day or whatever, I need to go there and look for something or just type art and there I am. So it's sort of asked to replace the built-in bookmarks in your browser. It's just attempting to be faster. But yeah, that's pretty much it for now.